Okay, Willow, how you going? What we're going to do today is just get a picture and then put it onto something. I'll show you how to do that, and then you can explain to the others how that works, and they'll explain some other things to you because we're doing slightly different things, just looking at different parts of the project. So what you need to do is to open Touch Designer and delete anything that's there. So if you right click with the mouse and do this, if something's in the way, let's say there's something sitting there and you don't want that, you right click like this, which means it's selected, it's green, and then you hit delete and that'll go away. So now you've got a nice empty screen. Can you hit tab? And the first thing we do, this has come up, it might come up like this. These give you the different colors and different things we can do. Try the purple one and go down to movie file in. So you can find it like this, which I've found it here, or if you can't see it, type in the box MOV and then movie file in or movie file out will be the only two that show up. So go movie file in, click on that, and then click on there, and you should get a banana, which is not what we want at the moment. So that's just the image that comes up every time, the default. So if I go over here and I click on this plus next to file, you should get a whole bunch of pictures here. So how about we look for jelly beans and go for the JPEG, the JPG, not the TIF, we want the JPG. So double click on that, or yeah, just double click on that, and there we go. Now that's not a movie, it's just a still picture, but we use the movie file in all the same. So that's our picture. Now what we need to do is we need to use a thing called a phong, P-H-O-N-G. So we hit tab again and we go up to this dirty yellow here, and we go down to phong, find that one, click there, and one more thing to do, we hit tab again and we go to comp, and we go to this black area, like not the purple or the green, we go to the black and get a geometry, click on that and drop that there. Okay, so our movie file in, this purple one here, that's our picture. We use the phong to help wrap our picture around this torus in here, or you can call it a donut. So there's our 3D donut, looking good, nice and shiny. Now here's our picture, we just grab that and drop it onto the phong and then click color map. So now we've got all that wrapped around that phong there. Then we grab the phong and drop it onto the geo and click material. Now we have a 3D donut with jelly beans all over it. So that's what we do in your project when we want to put a texture onto something. We get a movie, we drop it onto a phong, and then we drop the phong onto a geo. So if you can show that to the rest of your group, if you can build that again, so build that a couple of times, so you can delete it and then go movie file, then phong, and then geo, and drag that one on there, drag that one onto there, and then change that to be jelly beans JPEG. We're back to where we were before. So you can stop this video anytime, you can go back and just hear me drone on again and again, but just do it until you're comfortable making that, and then when you're happy doing that, you can show the rest of your team and they will show you what they've been doing, and these are all just separate parts of the project, and then I'll help you put some of that together on Tuesday. Okay, see you later.